In a bright and bustling city, there lived a wise and respected teacher named Sir David. He was well known for his deep knowledge and ability to teach life-changing lessons in the simplest ways. His students admired him not only for his intellect, but also for his ability to make complex ideas easy to understand. One day, Sir David decided to teach his students an important lesson about life and stress. As the students settled into their seats, he picked up a glass of water and asked, "Can anyone tell me how much this glass weighs?" The students eagerly responded with different guesses. 200 G said one, 300 G added another, maybe 350 G guessed a third student. So David smiled and said, "Great guesses, but the truth is, I don't actually know the exact weight of this glass." The students looked puzzled. If the weight wasn't the point, then what was? Sir David continued, "Now, if I hold this glass for 2 minutes, what will happen?" A few students responded together, "Nothing, sir." "That's right, sir." David nodded. "But what if I hold it for 2 hours? One student hesitated. "Before saying, your hand will start hurting and your muscles will feel strained, sir." David nodded. "Good observation. Now, what if I hold it for an entire day?" A bright student quickly answered, "Your hand will go numb, your muscles will be under extreme stress, and you might even need to go to the hospital. David chuckled. "So tell me, has the weight of the glass changed?" The students responded in unison, "No." After a brief silence, "Sir." David looked around the classroom and asked his final question. "So what should I do to stop this pain?" One student excitedly responded, "Put the glass down, sir. Don't keep holding it." "Exactly, sir." David exclaimed, his eyes shining with wisdom. Life's problems work the same way. If you think about a problem for a short time, it doesn't seem that big, but if you keep dwelling on it for hours, it starts to weigh heavily on your mind, and if you carry it with you all day, it will completely drain and exhaust you. The classroom fell silent as the students absorbed the powerful message. Some nodded in deep thought, while others exchanged glances, realizing how often they carried unnecessary burdens in their own lives. So David took a deep breath and continued, "Just like the weight of the glass never changes, the weight of your problems won't lessen just by overthinking. Instead, you need to take action, find solutions, talk to someone, or take a break. That's how you put the glass down. That's the only way to find true peace." With these words, sir David placed the glass gently on the table, symbolizing the simple yet powerful choice we all have: the choice to let go. The students left that day with a new perspective, understanding that some burdens in life are only heavy because we refuse to put them down.